Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today's video is very important. It is about Chinese food and it is called Chinese diet plan. You can lose up to 10 pounds in 1 week if you will follow this diet on regular basis. Chinese diet is very healthy. It consists of fresh vegetables and fruits. Seafood is the main specialty of Chinese diet. They consume seafood on regular basis. That's why they look thinner and skinny and they have healthy hair and skin. They consume green tea on regular basis. This diet plan will help you get rid of extra pounds in a matter of 1 week and you will get healthy weight loss. This is in fact a healthy lifestyle change. So before going into the details, there are several rules to Chinese diet plan. The rule number first is you have to use chopstick while preparing the food and while eating the food. Chopstick has different beneficial aspects. It increases your enzymes and it helps you to eat less. You have to select small bowl. Rule number 2 is the selection of fresh vegetables in order to get full nutrition from the food. You have to consume green tea during and after meals and the whole day. And rule number 4, you have to finish your plate. Let's get started with Chinese diet meal plan. On empty stomach, as soon as you get up, you have to take a lemon detox water by adding 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 lemon juice. In breakfast, you have to take baozi, which is the specialty of Chinese. It is steam cooked and it has several seafood or stuffings inside. You have to consume a cup of green tea in your breakfast, or you can take milk tea instead of green tea. Lunch is followed by noodles with sesame seeds, or you can replace these with stir-fried vegetables along with seafood. Or you can replace all these with any vegetable or chicken soup along with a cup of green tea. Dinner is followed by stir-fried vegetables with tofu or Chinese fried rice made with vegetables and chicken and seafood. Must take 1 bowl of fresh vegetables in your dinner along with a cup of green tea. You can take any of the citrus fruit in your snacks with a cup of green tea. Or you can take Mentos, which is also the specialty of Chinese. Consume a cup of hot water during your meals and 30 minutes after your meal. It will help to regulate your body and increases your metabolism. It will take care of your heart health. It will function properly. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.